Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. Today we're making 4-ingredient peanut butter fudge. No baking, no candy thermometer, ready in minutes. First thing we're gonna do is line an 8x8 baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. Then in a medium stainless steel saucepan, we're gonna put our butter and our peanut butter. We're gonna place that over medium heat and stirring occasionally until melted. Then bring the mixture up to a full boil. Now we're going to remove the pan from the heat. Then we're going to immediately stir in the powdered sugar, the vanilla extract, and the salt. Then we're going to stir that until smooth, thick, and fully combined. Now we're going to pour that mixture into our prepared pan and spread it out evenly and smooth the top with a spatula. Now we're going to let that cool at room temperature for several hours, or you can refrigerate it for about 1 hour until it's very firm. Now lift that out of the pan with the flaps that we left. Now you can cut that into very small squares. So there you go, maple fudge. You can store that at room temperature for up to 1 week in an airtight container. Put it in the fridge, that'll store for up to 1 month, or in the freezer for up to 2 months. Enjoy! The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.